Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super common household annoyance, flickering fluorescent lights. If you've got those old school tubes buzzing and flickering in your home or office, you're not alone. It's a problem that can drive anyone crazy. And since we're in 2025, we'll touch on some modern tweaks to make your fixes even easier and more energy efficient. Let's get started. First off, why do fluorescent lights flicker? It could be due to a few reasons, like a faulty ballast, which is the component that regulates the electricity, worn-out bulbs that need replacing, or even loose wiring connections. In newer setups, dust or outdated starters might be the culprits. Quick tip: if your light is flickering rapidly, it might be an electrical issue, so always prioritize safety and turn off the power at the breaker before you start. Now, let's walk through the fixes step by step. Step 1. Turn off the power and carefully remove the fluorescent tube. Inspect it for any blackening or cracks. If it's damaged, swap it out for a new one. These days, LED replacements are a great upgrade. They're flicker-free and use less energy. Step 2. Check the ballast. If it's an older magnetic type, consider replacing it with an electronic one for smoother operation. Unscrew the cover, locate the ballast, and test it with a multimeter if you're comfortable. Most hardware stores sell affordable electronic ballasts now. Step 3. Tighten any loose connections. Give the sockets and wires a once-over. Sometimes, a simple twist can solve the problem. If you're dealing with a fixture from before 2020, upgrading to smart fluorescent systems could prevent future issues. One more thing. If the flickering persists, it might be a sign of a deeper electrical problem, so don't hesitate to call a professional electrician. Remember, safety first. Always wear gloves and avoid working on live wires. There you have it, folks. With these steps, your lights should be steady and bright in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.